What are you doing? Are you playing peekaboo in the shower? Don't eat the shower curtain, yucky poopies! Yucky poopies! Hi. You're not getting my camera. Just sit that down. That's why I put your razor up top of the big high thing over there, babe. So he couldn't get it. You need to charge it?